guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing some products sent to me by Influencer and Covergirl. These products were sent to me for free, but I will only give my honest opinion. I really do like the products that they sent me, so if you want to find out how I got this stellar lip look, keep watching. So the first shade that I'm going to try is the shade Current Nude in the number 340. Normally I don't like to get nude shades because they tend to make my face look very dull and lifeless. So I like this shade because I feel like when I put it on, my face still looks like it has life. It doesn't drain any color out of my face. And it goes with neutral looks, kind of like this one. This one's a bit more smoky, but it goes with neutral looks very well. I'm going to be lining my lips with the Bite Beauty lip liner. So this is what it looks like freshly put on. Right off the bat, I really do like this color. It's very pink for a nude color, but I like it. It's a color that I tend to reach for anyway when I'm shopping for new lip colors. I really like how it's drying. It goes on very smooth, and when it dries, I don't want to mess it up, but when it dries, it does feel very lightweight, almost as if you're not wearing anything at all. It doesn't feel heavy, it doesn't feel like you have a lot of product on your lips, which is very nice. Like, I'll go out throughout the day. I normally don't wear lipstick on a regular basis. I like to just wear lip balm and call it a day. But if I wear makeup, or if I want a concealer and I want to just like add some more life to my face, I do like to reach for a nice liquid lipstick, and this one is really good. I believe the formula for these lipsticks are comparable to the Too Faced Melted Matte. I was trying to remember the name. I have yet to try that one, but now I'm curious to go to Sephora and swatch it, because if it's as good as that one, this is such a cheaper option. It's like $6–7. I think the ones from Too Faced are like $20. It's a good dupe for that. But yeah, I really do like this color. I feel like it goes with this look well. I'm just wearing like kind of a rose gold kind of deal, and I feel like it matches pretty well. I like to use Vaseline to take off lip color because it's gentle in the skin. I'm just using tissue. It's nourishing for the lips. So the next color that I'm going to try is the shade Ballerina. This one is actually my favorite. I tend to go for kind of a darker pink as a nude shade for me. I'm going to line my lips with the same lip liner from Bite Beauty. I feel like it goes with both of them. So this is Ballerina. Ballerina is definitely my favorite shade. I actually had this lip color in mind when I first applied my makeup. I knew it would complement it really well. I don't think I've ever had a matte liquid lip that I've liked as much as this. But the real kicker is this. So they also sent a color of their Melting Pout Glitz top coat. So basically what this is you can wear it on its own as a gloss, or you can put it on top of a lip color as a gloss top. And normally I'm not a gloss kind of girl. I kind of just stayed away from it. It wasn't my thing, but now gloss is kind of coming back in a big way. So I was really excited to have a gloss to try, especially the concept of putting it on top of lipstick is something that I know people do, but I've never done. And I tried it and I absolutely love it. The color combination of Double Platinum and Ballerina is so good, and at first I was a bit nervous because I tend to think that, you know, pink goes more with gold, and they did have a good one, but I was sent the silver one. So I was kind of like, I might not love it, I might not like it at all, but I am enamored with this color combination. So you just put it on top of your lipstick. I just squeeze out a little at a time and work it around my lips. So this is what it looks like worn. I really love this combination. It's just so spacey. It adds so much more dimension and depth to your look. It seems to have a cool tint. It'll work well with cooler toned lip products, like a cool red, you know, instead of like a warm red. So just to show you guys how it looks on its own, I will be trying the top coat by itself. I mean, it looks good. It really, wow, it does look, I actually wasn't expecting this. I'm surprised yet again. This is my live reaction to trying this product by itself, because I just tried it with the liquid lipstick and I loved it so much. I thought that I wouldn't like it as much, but it looks pretty nice. I normally don't like to go for glosses, as I said, but this really honestly is a game changer. I'm actually so excited that I have it. Yeah, I really do like this just by itself. All around, this is my top fave. Like, even if I don't go back for the lipsticks, which I probably will because I like them so much, I highly recommend these products, but mostly this because I love it so much. So yeah, that's the end of my review. Thank you to Influencer and Covergirl for sending me these products. I absolutely love them. I want to go and get the gold one of this. I also want to thank you guys for coming and hanging out with me. If you like this video, you found it very helpful, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, leave a comment below to let me know which one was your favorite product or which product you think you want to go out and try. But I definitely recommend buying at least this. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and hit the little bell so you can be notified whenever I post. I have a lot of more fun videos that I'm planning to shoot very soon, probably up next week. So if you want to know when they're going to be posted, make sure you turn the bell on. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks. Bye.